See that guy using his metal detector on the beach? Ever wonder why? Well, many people are doing it to see what they can pick up in lost coins, lost rings, and other stuff. Steve Smith has a different reason. He's there to help people find their lost stuff, as he will tell you.
My name's Steve Smith, and I find jewelry and rings and phones and keys for people on the beach or in parks or in their yard. And I do it as a service for people.
Yeah. And why?
Because people have a need. These things are important to them, and a lot of times they feel like there's no way they can get them back, but they find me and I offer them hope. And I think my recovery rate is pretty good, so I give them hope.
What was it like the first time you found something for somebody?
It was pretty exciting, both for me and for them. You know, I was able to give it back to them, and they were going to celebrate their first wedding anniversary. It was their wedding ring, and they were going to celebrate their first wedding anniversary in a week, and there were tears. They were hugging me, and I thought, you know, this is something I want to do. I don't charge, so I do this as a service. So whatever people want to give me for helping them out, that's what I accept. So,
and why do you do that?
Because if I did charge, I think there would be some people that couldn't afford my services, and then I wouldn't be able to help them, and they would be disappointed and walk away from the beach or from the park without what they feel was very important to them. So I don't want that to happen.
And you have found over 400 pieces of jewelry in 7 years.
Yeah, 400 pieces of jewelry. Actually, yeah, coins, all kinds of different things. I would recommend to women and men, leave your jewelry at home. When you go to the beach, leave your jewelry at home. Otherwise, you'd be calling me.